XL. Right now, we have a package from Amazon. It is a voice amplifier microphone headset from Response Bridge. We're gonna unbox this and see what is inside, and later on we can make a review. As you can see, it is really sealed. It is really protected. So we're gonna open this. You can see a white box and with a receipt. Okay, so this is the box of the product. This is also a hard one, so you can assure that your product is protected. Oh, probably this one. This is the voice amplifier. It is very lightweight, it's small, it seems like it's very handy, and you can put it in your bag or in your purse. There's a rubber stand, so if you're gonna put it on a table, it won't easily slide off. And here are the settings and the interfaces. And on the left side, there's an outlet where you can insert the microphone and the auxiliary, and this one probably is the charger. Next, we have an adjustable waistband. So either you can put it on your waist or on your shoulder. The third one is a charger. Here's the cord or the wire, and here's the plug. And then we have wired microphone. Oh, this is long, so it's good. It's long. This is rotational, so you can adjust it however you want. Next is the auxiliary line. So you can insert it on the amplifier and your phone. Next is the voice amplifier manual. So if you have some questions, if you need directions, you can just read from the manual. Okay, so let's try to use it and test it so we can make a review about this product. First, let's try the charger. Oh yeah, that's how you will know if it is charging. The red light is blinking. Next, let's try the microphone. Okay, so let's try to insert this and set up the headset microphone. You can adjust it however you want. So let's gradually turn it on. Hello, this is my normal voice. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. 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 This is real good, guys. It's clear, it's real loud, and there's no feedback. Let's try to walk farther away from the camera. Let us see if this is still loud. Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. This is loud now, but this is still not the maximum volume. How much more if I'm gonna turn it up louder? Okay, I'm adjusting it. Now, it's louder. Hello, mic test. Hello? Hello, mic test. Hello? Hello, mic test. So let's try to walk near to the camera again. Okay, so we are back at the table, and I'm gonna use this now as my microphone for this video. As you can see here on the top, there is a USB port. So let's try if this one works. I have a USB here, and let's try to insert it in. Let's see if it plays. Oh yeah, it really does. And let's adjust the volume, and at the same time you can speak while you're playing. So right now, let us try to insert an SD card, because there is an SD card area here that you can insert this also. So let us try if it works. There you go. Yeah, and it automatically plays. And you can adjust the volume at the same time. And in the box, there is an auxiliary given. Try to test it also. And you can insert it on your laptop or your phone. Let's play it. And you can hear it that it's playing. You can adjust it. You can adjust the volume of the song here on your phone, and in the microphone you can adjust it on the amplifier. Okay, let's try to sing. And your mountain seems so tall, and you realize life's not always fair. When everything falls apart, praise His name. If you just praise His name. Okay, so you have heard it yourself. That everything works well for me. This is really neat. This is really useful. I can recommend this if you are a leader, a president, and you conduct meetings. If you are a teacher, whether it is in the driving school, in a school district, this is really good for you. This is very handy, and it's loud, and it can accommodate 25 to 150 people. Can you imagine? This is really nice, guys. I like it. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.